how to add more free stickers in photo editor on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And on the home screen, open up the picture gallery. Next, in the gallery, open up the photo that you want to edit, and then tap on the edit button. Next, we go down and tap on the decorations icon at the bottom, then tap on stickers. Next, at the bottom here in the menu, tap on the add button. Then tap on get more stickers from Galaxy Store. So this will open up the Galaxy Store. So you want to tap on the top free tab at the top. This will allow you to download free stickers. So in here you can scroll up or down. You can also tap on show install apps so you can see which apps has already been installed on your device. So here we got food, so tap on that to download food stickers, hats, glasses and others. Decorations I have added already. Accessories, so anything that you want you can tap on add button and that will download and install those additional stickers to your gallery or to your photo editor. And after that you can tap on the back key, and down here you can see you will be able to swipe across and select many other different stickers that you want to use. So here one of those animals that we have installed. So here I can select a bear and add it to my photos, and that's it. So that is how you can add in additional free stickers in your photo editor. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.